Hey everyone, it's Kim Angel Dream Crafts, and I have something special here that I want to share with you guys. This is a kit that I have put together, and at the moment I only have two, but I could make a third and possibly a fourth one if there's interest in these. They might be slightly different, however, and have different fabric in it, but I can probably put together four of these. But the two that I have made already are exactly the same, and they look like this. So at the moment I have two, and if there's interest, then I'll try and do a couple more. So this is a kit, and I'm calling this kind of the Textile Embellishment kit, I guess. It comes, as you see, with a handmade bag that I have made out of muslin, and you can alter it, and all the goodies that are here go inside the bag. It's a drawstring bag, so you can alter this yourself. It's all sewn and finished, good size. I don't have my ruler handy, but anyway, it is a good size. And everything you see here is going to come in the kit, including the bag. So in this kit, you get the bag, you get two of these beautiful flowers, you get a length of, and everything is about, I'm going to say 10, this is about 10 inches, I'm going to say. This is box pleated trim. This is probably about 6 inches. Lovely fringe trim. You get two of these beautiful dangle flowers, and these are dimensional. So you get two of these. You get a piece of this amazing dangle right here. Look at this, guys. It's amazing. I have shared some of this with my other friends when I've sent out racks or birthday gifts or whatever, but it's a beautiful dangle lace, and they're super long. I just love it. It's really beautiful, and the top is even beautiful. So you get that piece of dangle. These are some of my favorite things that I'm sharing. This is another one of my favorite dangle trims. It's so pretty. I love this. You get this piece, which is another piece of that bullion trim, and you get two little doilies, two little guys. These are vintage. You get a piece of this really beautiful Alison lace. It's in a chocolate color. It looks just like a Hershey's chocolate bar. It's really beautiful, and it is vintage. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you get two pieces of this lovely fringe trim. There's two of those. You get a piece of this gathered trim in a creamy color. Yeah, I'd say that's cream. And then a piece in white. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 of these doilies. 4 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. 2 of these. One of this big applique piece, and it has a little dangle flower. It's really pretty. A Battenberg butterfly, small, and a Battenberg butterfly in large. You get a piece of this beautiful lace, a corner of a vintage napkin with really beautiful, delicate little pink lace on it. You get this textile here, which is an upholstery weight fabric. It looks beautiful on either side. It's like a cream with an undertone of gold. It's really pretty, and there is a lovely pattern on it, but I'm not sure the camera's going to pick it up, but it's really pretty. You get this piece of vintage linen, which is this beautiful pulled work. You get 2 pieces from a tablecloth that has this hand embroidery on it. So there's 2 pieces of that. You get a piece of, this is actually trim from a wedding dress that I got a couple of years ago, and it was all lace. So this is the one of the pieces from the wedding dress. It's beautiful lace. And then you get a couple of pieces of fabrics. You get this one, which is a cream color background with script. You get this piece, which is a lovely vintage lady here, and it's a Paris fabric. You get a piece of this curtaining material, and you can make beautiful flowers out of that. You get a piece of beautiful crocheted trim, and this is good for back of a wall hanging or anything. It's a really lovely piece. And then you get 2 pieces of this, which is from a curtain, and there's lots here you can do with that. You can cut these up, make appliques out of them. They're really beautiful. So that is my my little kit here that I'm selling, and like I said, if there's interest, I'll try and put more together, but at the moment I've only got 2, so if anyone else is interested when they sell, let me know. But yes, you get all of these beautiful goodies in this kit. There's a lot here, and it's going to be a very good price. It's going to be $40 plus shipping, and I do want to say something about the shipping. I'm in Canada, as everyone pretty much knows, but I have to say that the shipping from Canada to the US is a little higher than some people have expected, and I can't control what Canada Post charges. The cheapest shipping option that I have is small air packet, and depending on the weight of the package, that determines the price of the shipping. So I'm not upping the price or anything like that. It is just what Canada Post is charging. So please note that when you buy from me that I am in Canada. So the kit is $40. You get everything you see here and the handmade bag. Let me know if you're interested. And at the moment I have 2, but like I said, if anybody else is interested and people you know, want to buy more than just the 2, let me know and I'll try and put something else together. But at the moment there's 2. So let me know what you think, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.